Use this crazy equation. Everyone write it down. It looks like this. D equals the big square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared plus z2 minus z1 squared. You guys got that? I'll put it on pause and tell me when you're done. Now what we're going to do is we need to choose 2 points in order to figure this out. The first point we're going to choose is the sun, because that's where we want, to start from. And we want to figure out the distance from the sun to the point, or the star Sirius. And so the sun has coordinates points 0, 0, 0. So our x, y, and z coordinates for the sun, x1, y1, and z1, these are commas, is equal to 0, 0, 0. Sound good? So wherever you see an x1, a y1, or a z1, right here, right here, and right here, plug in 0, 0, 0. Those are easy. Next, we're going to see a different point. Sirius. Sirius has points negative 3.4, negative 3.1, and z is 7.3. Okay, so Sirius, the x2, y2, and z2 is going to be negative 3.4? Yeah, negative 3.4, negative 3.1, and 7.3, I think? Yeah, 7.3. So wherever you see an x2, a y2, or a z2, for x2 you plug in negative 3.4. For y2 you plug in negative 3.1. And for z2 you plug in 7.3. Is anyone confused? Are we cool with this so far? Alright, now when you plug all of those in, you're going to have this crazy equation. Actually, it's not going to look so bad. It's going to be the square root of negative 3.4 squared, or negative 3.4 minus 0, but minus 0 you don't even need to write it, squared, plus the y2, which is negative 3.1 minus 0, you don't need to write it, squared, plus 7.3 squared, and you find the square root of it. You simply plug all of these into your calculators. Negative 3.4 squared, well, that's going to be positive blah, blah, blah. Negative 3.1 squared, that's going to be positive blah, blah, blah. Negative 7.3 squared is going to be positive something. And instead of me saying blah, 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 let me actually just figure it out for you. Ready? 3.4 times 3.4 is, this right here is 11.56 plus 3.1 times 3.1. This right here is 9.61 plus 7.3 times 7.3. And this right here is 53.29. Add all of those guys up. Oh, oops, made it look ugly. Add all of those guys up first. 9.61 plus 11.56. And you get the square root of 74.46. And then square root that sucker. And my square root button is here. And you get 8.62. So, I'm going to give you your first answer. The first answer is 8.62. Sounds good?